and welcome to our last day of our first week together. It is Friday, so that means we have an async day. Let's see what we have to do. So we go to Friday, February 12th, day 5. It is an async day. That means we will not meet together in classes on Zoom as a class, but we do have office hours. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. So I will have office hours today from 10 to 11. However, I will be meeting with each of you guys for about 10 minutes to make sure you have the following. You can navigate and find our assignments in Schoology. You are in Remind and you know how to use it. You can access your Carlos Rosario email, and you can get your Achieve 3000 username and password. Let us check our async folder. It is Friday. That means that we have our deliverable. Remember, deliverable is the big homework for the week. It has everything that we've done for the week incorporated. Okay, so there will be listening, some typing, and some observation. So you will be doing a video critique. All right. So everybody here wants to improve their speaking skills. You will watch a video about a student who from level 6 and finished to advanced English, and to see how her speaking abilities have improved a lot. And you will make observations, but I will read everything to you first. Everyone who comes to Carlos Rosario says they want to learn how to speak English or improve their English. There are many, many ways to improve your English. One way is to record and watch yourself. We are going to practice this technique this semester. You will see how you make progress. We want to show you the progress that a former level 6 students made by the time they finish level 8 or advanced English. This will be you in the future. All right? Always remember to read everything before you begin. So here's the video that you will watch. Okay? And her name is Dolly. So you're only going to watch this video of this woman, Dolly. And as you watch the video, you will answer these questions. Okay? So as you watch her answer these questions, but make sure that your answers have a lot of meat. Don't just say, it was quiet, yes. Did the presenter appear nervous or comfortable? Yes. Explain, elaborate your answer. Explain your answer. All right. Don't just give me one word answers, write sentences. Okay. And you will post it. Now, I have a grading scale. This is worth 10 points. So, in order to get your full 10 points, here's what you need to do. If you get 5 points, here's what you need to do. If you don't want to get any points, don't do it. Okay, but it is important that you do the assignment. So we will all strive for 10. Okay. And remember, when you are making your observations, use examples from the video. All right, use examples from the video. Post your answer here. And that's it. And click post. Remember to check for spelling, okay? Click spell check to check for spelling. And that's it. If you need anything, you know how to find me. Enjoy your long weekend. We do not have class on Monday. Have a great weekend.